Yeah, gotta hit it. Yeah. Good cross. Good. Back up. Jack cross. Oh, good. Jack cross. Oh, bob it. Good, nice. Cross. Good. All right, cool. We got my noodle training. We out here at the park practicing the social distancing. A lot of people ask, how can we train safely during this this pandemic we got here? So I personally think all my schools out here should get a pair of noodles. These are things that we've been using at Krav Maga, but they come really long. You can get them in different sizes. Right now the pools are closed. So since the pools are closed, they should be available to you, but I think y'all should pick up some as quickly as possible. You can do these with a lot of different strikes. You can work on the jab, work on the crosses, work on the hook, work on the uppercuts. You can work on the defenses. You can work on the bobbing. You can work on inside defenses. A lot of things you can do with the noodles. You can even do the kicks, the front kicks. You can do a lot of different things with the noodles. Let's talk about how I'm holding the noodles. Now, I can hold them like this, but it's kind of hard to control. So depending on how long they are, I kind of hold them under my arms and I grab, okay? And I kind of do a little slap back when I am working with them, okay? Another thing these are good for, even if you're not doing this crazy pandemic, is accuracy, okay? Because if he can hit this, he can hit a face. A lot of times you're working on the big tombstones or the big focus pass. It's easy to hit them, but you got to be really accurate to hit that. Now, the longer I make it, the harder it is for him to hit. But of course, if we're talking about social distancing, a lot of you guys may be a little nervous about training with each other, stuff like that. Then you can train from all the way across the room and still be working with the mitts, okay? Another thing you can do is cut them shorter and tape them up. If I cut them shorter and tape them up, they don't wobble as much, okay? I can still practice my social distancing from out here, bang. And now I can put a little more oomph into the strikes, you know, You can do it inside defenses and stuff like that, okay? So this is really good for practice. I don't have to have two of them. I can actually use one of them. You can take, instead of buying a whole bunch of noodles, you can get a few noodles, cut them in half, tape them up, and you can still get the same thing. Now he has one target in this little center. You can throw your hooks, you can throw your uppercuts, he can throw his growing kicks. A lot of things you can do with the noodles, okay? I think everybody should go pick up some social distancing noodles for your training this summer, all right? Nice.